What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Welcome into this week's video. We're doing something a little different. As you can see, I just wanted to take a chance, sit down with you, kind of talk about where we've been this year and where we're gonna go next year. I wanted to come kind of back here into my room, the studio, to kind of, make full circle to where we started from this year. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so first off, I just wanted to once again say thank you so much for 100 subscribers this year. That has been the goal, kind of from the beginning of the channel, was to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Danny, how do we end the vlogs?
Alright guys, I need you to diddle that like button for Chris. We gotta get this guy to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Go create your world.
And you guys did that, so thank you so much. It means a ton to me. I'm super excited. We can get our own URL now. Oh, by the way, I don't normally just sit here and watch my own videos. I just didn't know what else to have on in the background. But I just thought it'd be kind of fun to take a look back at this year and kind of see what all we did. And kind of a rocky start with some weird random videos in there. Thanks for bearing with me through those. The chicken thing, what was that all about? Oh my gosh. But then we kind of started to hit a stride and we went and saw a bunch of paddleboarding spots in Utah. That was a ton of fun. You guys loved the Kazi video. That is the best video on my channel. Kazi is king. Whenever people ask me where to paddleboard in Utah, that is what I say. Kazi is king. It's the #1 spot for sure. I also helped write a little blog about 5 free places to paddleboard in Utah. You can check that out in the description below. We did some fun hiking and stuff. Saw some different things along the Wasatch Front. Not as much as I had anticipated this summer. Hopefully we'll get back to a little bit more. But let me know in the comments where you guys want to hike, when you're hiking. Follow me on Instagram. Let me know when you're hiking, where you want to go, and let's meet up. Let's go hiking together. My hiking buddy, Andy, has left the country. I need some new hiking buddies, so let's go. So after the hiking videos, started to go back into the paddleboarding, and I lost a GoPro in a frickin' duck pond, and I swam in disgusting duck infested waters. My buddy Jay from the Deadlight Nerds gets a good laugh at that. He brings it up all the time. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. It's kind of funny. It's pretty gross. And then we got into some nerdy stuff. Once fall came around, we went to Ren Fair and saw all the fun stuff going on there. I lifted Thor's hammer up, got the little necklace. Broke since the little necklace piece. And then we went to FanX, and that was another huge video for the channel. If you guys want to see more of that kind of stuff, let me know. I would love to go to more Comic-Cons and things. It's not necessarily the niche of this channel, but whatever you guys want to see, I'll do it for you. And then once fall really kind of hit, we got into some travel stuff, and that's really what I would love to take this channel to, is traveling and paddleboarding through the lens of a Latter-day Saint metalhead that likes to travel and paddleboard. That's kind of what I want to do mostly, is bring you guys paddleboarding and travel content, but also, again, open to nerdy stuff. I'm a huge nerd. I don't know if you can see my little Thor and Spider-Man up here. So yeah, Seattle and Dubai were awesome. I loved going to those places. They were awesome destinations. I haven't been to Seattle in over 10 years. It was really cool. Fun to see Unleash the Archers and meet them again. Tour around Washington State. Coleman's family is awesome. Shout out to the Spencers and Zeke. And then Dubai, man, trip of a lifetime. If you have a chance to go to the World Expo, absolutely do it. I think the next one is in Japan, I looked up. 2024 or something like that. So if you can do that, or if you can get to Dubai this year, absolutely go. It's really awesome, really cool, interesting experience. And Dubai itself is really eye-opening, and I got to learn a lot culturally about Islam and the people of the Middle East, and it was really cool. Really good food as well, so definitely a must-hit travel spot. So that's kind of the year-end recap review there, and so I thought it would be kind of fun to do, what is all this goal-setting nonsense that people talk about? Why are we all doing it this time of year? So the whole purpose of Chris Creates the World is to inspire you to create the world you want to live in, and no one's going to create that for you. People might help you along the way, as they should, and as you should help others. But if you recall, in my first video I gave you examples about people that were once beginners in their field that are now all-stars. I mean, we hear about it all the time. Experts were once beginners in whatever field that they chose, right? Tom Brady was once just another high school quarterback that wanted to play in the NFL. Look at him now. Dua Lipa, pop sensation. She was once this girl that wanted to be a pop star, moved to London when she was 15. The same can be for you. If there's a dream out there that you want to accomplish, you can do it. You just gotta start. If you want to make a YouTube channel, you just gotta hit record, as Think Media says. If you want to lose weight, you gotta start. You gotta take those first steps to get out there. You don't need a gym pass. Just start going for walks in the morning. And so if you have a goal, write it down. This is an opportunity that you have to ingrain something in ink. I just wanted to share with you guys something that I've learned from a spiritual leader. Thomas S. Monson once said that when progress is measured, progress improves. And when progress is measured and reported, the speed of that improvement increases. Writing something down and being accountable for it is a huge part of obtaining your goals and going for things. Instead of just having this dream that one day I can do this. You can do it, you just gotta start taking steps towards it. And so that is why we focus around setting goals and overcoming things. So I hope you have the opportunity and the courage to take control of your life, create the world you wanna live in, and write a goal down. I'll share with you some of mine and where the channel is going this year. Here we go. Alright, my 2022 goals. For those of you that don't know, this May I am graduating from the University of Utah with a degree in marketing. So I'm really excited. That has been a long time coming, a big deal for me that I'm super stoked for. Goal number 2 for the year is to become a digital nomad. At least for a few months, I really want to try that lifestyle out and see if I can do something like that. My main goal is to get to Europe. For 5, 6, 7 years, I've had this goal, this kind of dream, if you will, of going to Europe for 3 months after I graduate with my bachelor's degree. So that time is kind of finally approaching, and I already have tickets to go to a festival in Germany, Wacken Open Air. Me and my friend got tickets to go in 2020, but that got pushed back to 2021, now to 2022. And so I'm planning to go there, and assuming the pandemic allows it. So I really would like to do that and make that happen and find a way that I could work remotely or find a way to do workaways or something, but I want to make that happen. That's a personal goal of mine. Goal number 3 this year is to hike Angel's Landing down in Zion National Park. I have never done it before. I've hiked a couple things down there. I'd like to do even more than that, but there's rumor coming in April of 2022, you will need a permit to hike Angel's Landing. And so I want to get it done before that. I'm hoping to get down there in March and do that. Check that off the bucket list before it becomes a lot more difficult to do. Some other stuff I want to do is just kind of improve and grow the channel. Like, I'm having a ton of fun doing this. I don't make anything off this yet. This is all just me and spare time. So I'm having a ton of fun doing this, building skills, and I hope you guys are really enjoying these videos. So I want to make them better for you guys. And so going forward, I want to buy a drone and start to learn how to do that and get you guys some real cool cinematic shots. And going along with the digital nomad thing, I'd love to be able to find a way to make money. I'm not saying this is all for money grabbing purposes, right? I find this very fulfilling, and I would love to create a world where I can be fulfilled in a career. You know, traveling and paddleboarding and doing stuff like that would enable me to do that. But I also really enjoy what I'm doing now, doing search engine optimization at FireTossed. I'm just playing around, seeing what sticks with my life, as you should do with yours. Because it's all about creating the world that you want to live in and creating the life that you want to live. Talking, oh man, fun. I really appreciate all you guys being here. I really appreciate you guys watching all the time. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. I don't know if I've said that yet, but thank you for watching. It really means the world. But I just want to let you know, when I say go create the world at all the end of these videos, I mean it. Go out there, live the life you want to live, make the moves you need to do to advance your life to where you want to be, to accomplish those dreams, so that they're not just dreams, but they're your reality. If you guys do anything that is big and noteworthy like that, post it on Instagram, hashtag #GoCreateTheWorld, tag me at ChrisCreatesTheWorld. I'll share it. I love doing it. Every Thursday I share motivational things on Instagram, things that I find awesome. People making reels with inspirational quotes or big life events that they're proud of and accomplishing. Be sure to tag me and share those with me, and I'll share those. As always, please remember to hit subscribe. It goes a long way. I really appreciate it. I'm super stoked for this year and what's gonna come. So if any of the things I said in this video resonate, that would mean a ton if you would just hit subscribe, like the video, and you know, we'll be back for more. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have an awesome new year. Have an awesome 2022, and remember, go create the world.